We're at the intersection of West 125th Street and Amsterdam Avenue up here in Harlem this afternoon. This intersection had more pedestrian accidents than almost any other intersection here in the city. It's one of the intersections that the City Council was probably thinking about when they passed a new law last year that aims to crack down on drivers who hit pedestrians that have the right-of-way. However, a local district attorney says the law is only applicable if the pedestrian is in the crosswalk before the countdown starts. And once the countdown starts, pedestrians are required to stop at a pedestrian safety median if there is one.
It's common. As long as it's counting down, we can move.
Right.
That's common practice around here.
Yeah.
And most of us are not like arrogant pedestrians where we look to get hit by a car or something like that. You know, those days are over.
I think that no matter what, we should always be protected and understand that if we have our way to walk, we should still be protected from cars who might try to steer into this lane anyway.
Oh, I always thought, oh, you got 13 seconds, man.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it's good.
Yeah. We're beneath the one-train tracks here at 125th Street and Broadway. There are 3 lanes of traffic to my left. There are 3 lanes of traffic to my right. According to the countdown clocks, they're programmed to give you a solid walk sign for 7 seconds before the countdown starts. We're going to see just how far you can get across the street in 7 seconds. Now, according to the law, you're supposed to stop at the nearest pedestrian island once the countdown clock starts. I didn't even make it all the way across half of Broadway before the pedestrian crosswalk light went from walk and began counting down, warning me that there are now, well, that was all the time I would have had to cross the street.
We barely have time to go from one place to another. We'll having to stop at every traffic light.
I don't think that's correct at all. I think if you still have time, then you should be able to make the whole path. I definitely think that the law should be changed because if you still have time to cross, why wouldn't you have the whole second? It shouldn't be the car's option to now be able to zoom right past you when you still have time to walk.
I understand they're trying to say stand here in the middle, but imagine we crossed over, right, and it's 35, it's 20 people standing there.
Yeah. Well, there's no way to make it across the street for the duration that the walk sign is a walk sign. I only made it to the second of 3 lanes of traffic before the countdown clock started. Under the law, you have to stop here at the pedestrian island, even though there are still 22 seconds remaining on the countdown clock to continue to cross the street. However, you would not have the right-of-way.